Don't you hate a cold shower? Or you know what I hate even worse? Is when you get the water hot and then within a minute and a half, it goes cold or lukewarm and then starts going cold. So I figured out the problem with my shower in my RV, and it turns out that it was the bypass valve on the water heater. It was just something as simple as that. So on this little diagram here in this picture, you're going to see a valve that goes in between the hot water and the cold water, and it links the two pipes together. There's a valve in between there. It's the only valve that connects the hot and cold water. Shut that valve off and you'll have hot showers. I kid you not. That's all it was. I shut my bypass valve off in my RV and it was endless hot water. So I hope this helps you. Give that a try. If you're having problems with lukewarm showers, cold showers, I tell you, when I found that out and I did that and I shut off the friggin' valve, I couldn't believe how hot the water got in my shower. So I'm hot and happy now. Should I say that? Hot and happy? Sure, why not? So I hope this helps. I hope this helps.
Oh no.
Let us know how it worked out for you in the comments, if that fixed your problem. Because it fixed my problem, so hopefully it'll work for you. So thanks for watching.